Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm here back on the Element. Gonna pull the radiator out to put in the dual core, new hoses, coolant, tubes, all the things we need to replace the radiator. And reason why I'm replacing it is because the last video I mentioned something about it when I was doing an axle boot, that I have to keep the heater on because I think it's running too hot. Now everybody said no, it's not running too hot. It's about right on it. Don't change it, but I'm gonna change it anyway because I want it to run cooler. I have other plans that I want to do, and I need that extra. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it out, and let's get started. Also, a lot of people ask me about the bull bar. I don't know what vehicle this bull bar was off of. I got it. A friend of mine had it, and he ended up welding some stuff together on it. Let me show you real quick. Give me 1 second. All right, let me see if I can put you under here. So he welded the brackets on, and then we put nuts, like nutserts, on the frame and just bolted it in. That simple. And I wired it up where I can remove it, so it's actually got a plug on it. And also my lights on here, I have wired it where it could be easily unplugged if I have to remove it. In this case, I have to remove it. So everything is where I can take anything apart to pull the bump. Alright, so I got the front bumper support off. I guess that's what it is. This upper railing, and I just pulled this up. I didn't completely move it off because it doesn't need to be. And now I just have to undo this hose, bottom hose, and the two plugs. Now the radiator should lift up. I'm going to pull this out just a tad bit so I can have a little more room because of the fans. Let's see, I should be totally disconnected here. I can't go too far. I mean, usually I could swing this out the way, but I got this trans cooler on there. So, alright, I think that's it. And this is a brand new radiator. There's nothing actually wrong with it whatsoever. All the fans are new. I think it's a little more in there. Oh yeah, that's nasty. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is switch all this stuff out and put it on a new radiator. Okay, so like I said, I just got to switch these two out. So I just set it up here so you guys can get a good visual on it. And another thing I just realized, it actually comes with a new radiator cap. I didn't even notice that. So I'm happy for that there. So I just need to grab the tin and pull it on out. Let's see here, I'm gonna start with this one. It's that easy. So put it on there. Reverse your settings. So, what I was doing here was making sure all the wiring was still in place. I got the hoses on, the clamps in. Now I just need to slide the radiator in. Oh, before we do that, I forgot one last step. Is the, let me see if I can show you here. The little bumpers that go on the bottom. Mine is a little rough there. Probably gonna have to replace those one day. But for right now, I have to. Actually, let me see if I can put it in here first. Oh yeah, it's better putting it in. Okay. Okay, so now they're down in there. So I could just go ahead and slide this inside. I find filling this up before you put it back it's a lot easier. A lot easier. Ready? So I had a funnel that I used to fill this up to bleed it. It grew legs and disappeared. So I know I brought it home when I had all this stuff, but it's not there. So we're just gonna keep moving on. Oh, let me check and make sure the drain plug is tight. Nope, and it wasn't. Something buzzing around me. All the antifreeze in. The sensor, the new one I had, for some reason I couldn't plug it in, so I put the old one back in and it plugged right back up because it's a Honda OEM part, so that's probably why it worked better. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it so we can start bleeding it. I'll bring you guys back in once it comes up to temp. I got the radiator in and everything seems like it's working okay. So far, no leaks or anything like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything back together, and that's it. We'll wrap it up after that once I get the bumper and everything back together. But I don't think you guys probably want to see that, so please comment, like, subscribe. Until I see you guys then, later.